Pokemon, I choose you! Pikachu! Oh, wait, that's not a Pikachu. Damn it! What the hell is that? I'm kind of afraid to open it. It might be from an alien. Ow! Ow! It zapped me! Ow! 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 Just kidding. Okay, I think it should be alright. That hurt. This thing's got some freaking power. It's weird. Like, kind of mysterious, even. Oh! Okay. Yep. Oh, it's a Beyblade. Okay. Let's see. What is it? This is a little freaking envelope. It's a hell something. It's from hell.
It's pink.
It's pink. It's got pink.
Like the light fires of hell.
Oh my god, the light fires of hell. I can't. Okay. This is Hell Beelzeb. 125XF. That's what this freaking thing is. Man, this Beyblade is like from hell. It's a Beyblade created from hell, and it's gonna burn my hands. It's just hurting. Oh, I can't even pick it up.
Why is the color blue on it? Blue is like ice.
Why is it blue? Inferno. Blue Inferno. I don't know. It's got clear and blue and pink all on it. It's confusing.
Pink, I
but
understand. Green, blue, not sure.
Yeah, so anyways, here are the stickers for Beelzeb, and the weird thing about this is that it actually comes with one face bolt sticker. Usually they don't use one face bolt sticker. They usually have like two. For what reason, I have no freaking idea, but they just usually have two. So it's kind of a first. So yeah, as you can see right there, Bakushin Beelzeb 125XF. So yeah, the stickers look pretty nice, and now it's time to show you guys the parts for the Bey. Alright guys, so got all the parts for the Beyblade. Now I'm just going to show you them close up. So of course there's the face bolt, the Beelzeb clear wheel / energy ring, my first one, and it's actually completely clear and translucent, which is pretty nice, and yeah. Then we've got the Hell wheel, Hell / Hades. This is the Takara Tomy version, so it is Hell, and this is like my, I don't even know, like 5th Hell wheel maybe. And yeah, I have a hell of a lot of Hell Beyblades. Tongue twister. Then we've got the awkward, fruity fruit roll-up 125 spin track. Why they made it pink, I'm not sure, but it's my only pink spin track. So, you know, it's a unique track. So, yeah, gotta have a pink one at some point. And last but not least, we have the XF Tip Extreme Flat. The second flattest tip that there is, so you guys know that there's semi-fat, not semi-fat. Don't want to be semi-fat. Semi-flat, flat, rubber semi-flat. There's rubber flat, right rubber flat, left rubber flat. So many flats, you know, but whatever. So the biggest is Giga Flat. That's basically the point I'm getting. This is the second biggest. Wow. Alright, so there are all the parts, and now I'm going to show you guys the fully assembled Beyblade with the stickers and everything. So, be right back. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what the hell? You scared the crap out of me. What? Whoa, don't scare me like that, damn it. Okay, Beelzeb, now you didn't scare me this time, I could show you. So there's Beelzeb, fully assembled. I mean, there's some smaller stickers on it that I just decided not to put on, because ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. They're just too small, you know, and I couldn't really figure it out. So I just put on the clear wheel stickers and the facebolt sticker. So, yeah, I'll probably put them on off screen, but for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. So, yeah, it looks pretty nice. It looks like this big freaking monster bug thingy. I don't even know. Like, it's a gigantic mosquito. I might squash it. Just kidding. But, yeah, so this Beyblade looks pretty nice, except for the freaking funky fruit roll-up and Inferno Hell colors. Like, I understand the Inferno Hell color, but, like, the funky fruit roll... Ow! Crap. Dropped it. The funky fruit roll-up freaking spin track. But, yeah, that's okay. I mean, it's overall a really nice-looking Beyblade. Now, at this point, I have every single one of the Hades / Hell Beyblades that have been made. All the different ones anyways. And, yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned for more. And until next time, like this video, make your favorite, and share. Oh, screw all that crap! I just dropped it.
Share a crap?
Okay, that works. Just subscribe, and this is Kimbo signing off. See you guys later. Thanks for watching, and I am out. What?
It sounded like you said share a crap.
No, I'm not sharing a crap. Ew. Sharing a crap on the toilet? That's disgusting! What? No. It's gross. Okay. Anyways, guys, it's Kimbo signing off. See you guys later.